Hi, Ma.
Of children, 5 minutes
All.
before going to school. Children, 5 minutes going to school. 20 seconds. 16, 15,
I don't think change camera works.
13, 12, 11. Dapat marami kasi children eh. Di ba? Marami. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Freeze! Freeze na. Makunahin ka tong Team 13. Ayan na! Ayan na! Kita nyo? Getting ready. Nagsushoes na sila 5 minutes before going to school. Team 12. 13, sorry. Putting on the shoes. Team 8.
Dad!
Ano dito? Anak? Ha?
I think that's my dad. Excuse.
Kumakain na daw sila 5 minutes before going to school. Ayan na, ayan.
Dad?
Sila na rin daw. Kumakain.
I know that's my dad. Hi. I'm trying to find Macbeth shirt. And my son, I go and find him.
Photobooth tayo para
Okay, magbalik ako agad, anak. Ano yan? Nagpa-vlog ka na naman.
Kumakain na. Team 10. Team? Ayun na. Ito yung pinaka-ano talaga. Team 10. Ayan. Ayan. She's only his hair. Ito talaga kaya.
Our friend's here, sir.
Hindi ko ma-portrait, hindi ko mawari ang ginagawa. Hindi sa nagsusulat. Hindi ko nalawa, hindi ko mawari.
Hello.
Ano nagawa? Nag-chismis ka 5 minutes before going to school. Kaya dyan, nagagalit si Mami. Pagalit ka ba? Ulit ka
I
mo.
think that's who's gonna be watching.
Chismis before going to school. Team! Look at here.
Hindi ko alam po. I want a drink. I want something to drink.
Photobooth muna. Dali na kayo, mag-alis din ako agad. Hindi ako magtagal.
water.
Tap water nga yan. Ayoko yan.
Sige na, sige na. Sige yan. Ito. Helmet ni Thor.
Hindi, wag na lang yan. Wag na lang yan.
Butang muna yung phone.
Ay, huwag mo dyan ipato. Yan, ang sakit mo.
Ito Corsair. Ayaw mo na itong Corsair. Ayan lang. Sige na.
Getting ready for the dance. 5 minutes before going to school. Walk na to school. Team 6, 5.
Blue lemonade.
Hindi, cranberry juice.
Ano ginawa niyo? Tara, kantin.
Eto ang magaling. Team 6.
Meron silang mix ng blue lemonade tapos cranberry juice. 15 pesos lang.
Talaga?
Opo.
Sige.
Team 5. 5 minutes na lang. Ayun yung
1.5.
Wala siyang t-shirt extra, ma?
10.5. Uy, isa bro. Yo, meet my bro. Meet my bro, Macbelcher.
Dam.
Just got him featured into my YouTube channel.
Ha?
Just got him featured into my YouTube channel.
Okay. Anong i-drink mo?
Ay! Ah,
Eh,
Ayaw.
magbay.
Ayaw, te. Meron pa kayong cranberry juice? Magpamix ako.
No, wala ka.
Opo, di ba 15 lang? Salamat po, te. 15?
May change pa daw. May change pa daw si Philip. Lagan pa dahil. Lagan pagpondo.
Nanay, change ka.
Woody! I think I saw Woody.
Isa pang mix din. Pati mo kung kalokohan na kaloko.
It's Woody. I don't know.
Ano to? Cranberry pati. Tamis ah.
Sarap.
Ay, lalaglag.
Bayad na to.
May bawas ako.
This tastes really good. So I see ya. They're right there through the window. Yeah, I can see them. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. Bye.